Throughout history, the concept of God has been closely intertwined with mathematics. Many theologians and scholars have argued that God is a mathematician and that universe itself is a great grand mathematical creation. This idea is rooted in the belief that mathematics is the language through which God has structured the world and that the intricate patterns and relationships found in nature are evidence of a divine plan. Mathematics has been called the language of the universe, suggesting that it is a fundamental aspect of creation. The laws of physics, for example, can be described using mathematical equations showing the inherent connection between mathematics and the natural world. From the symmetrical shapes of snowflakes to the sequence in a sunflower, mathematics is evident in the patterns and structures found throughout nature. This connection points to a divine structure of knowledge, one that transcends human understanding. The undeniable presence of mathematical patterns and principles in the natural world is attributed to one attribute of mathematician. From the spirals of shells and galaxies to this golden ratio found in the proportions of plants and animals, mathematics is intricately woven into the fabric of the universe. These mathematical patterns have been observed by scientists and mathematics throughout history, leading many to conclude that they are evidence of an intelligent designer. The beauty and elegance of mathematics is often cited as evidence of a higher power. Mathematicians often speak of the aesthetical appeal of a well crafted proof or equation, suggesting that there is a deeper meaning and purpose behind the patterns and symmetries found in mathematics. The simplicity and harmony of mathematical proofs and theorems suggest a higher intelligence at work, guiding the universe with precision and grace. The concept of fractals in mathematics provides another perspective on the nature of the creator as a mathematician. The presence of fractal patterns in nature, such as the branching patterns of trees and the shapes of coastlines, suggest a deeper order and structure that transcends our understanding. This complexity points to a creator who works in mysterious ways, shaping the universe with infinite precision and detail. Another intriguing aspect of the creator as a mathematician is the idea of mathematical universality and the power of mathematical symbols and concepts to describe and explain the workings of the universe. Mathematicians have discovered that the same mathematical principles and laws govern the smallest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies, indicating a universal language that transcends physical boundaries. The ubiquity of a mathematics is in the natural world suggests a creator who communicates and creates through mathematical symbols and patterns. The laws of physics and the mathematical formulas that govern the universe are evidence of a rational and ordered cosmos. The consistency and predictability of the laws of physics and mathematics suggest a rational mind behind the universe. The fact that these laws can be expressed and understood through mathematical equations further support the idea that the creator is a mathematician. For example, the laws of motion and gravitation are expressed as mathematical equations, allowing for accurate predictions of the movements of celestial bodies. These discoveries prove that the universe is not chaotic and random, but rather designed according to the mathematical blueprint. The idea that God is a mathematician is also seen in the concept of intelligent design, which posits that the complexity and order of the natural world are evidence found in living organisms, such as the human eye or the genetic code, are some examples of intelligent design. These structures could not have been arisen through random processes, but must have been designed by an intelligent mind. Mathematics, with its precision and order, is evidence of an intelligent designer. The fact that complex mathematical concepts that can be used to describe the material world is seen as a proof of higher power at work. For example, the natural sequences are a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones can be found in nature, and the spirals of wings, the branching of trees, and the arrangement of seeds in a sunflower. Another compelling argument for the creator as a mathematician is the idea of the fine tuning of the universe for life. Scientists have discovered that a slight deviation in the values of certain physical constants would make life as we know it impossible. The precision and delicacy of these constants suggest a designer who carefully calibrated the universe to support the existence of life. Mathematical concepts such as infinity and zero have been the subject of philosophical debate for centuries. These concepts challenge our understanding of the world and suggest that there are truths beyond our limited human perspective. The existence of such abstract concepts in mathematics is seen as evidence of a transcendent source of knowledge, one that is beyond our comprehension. The concept of infinity and the infinite complexity of mathematical concepts further suggest a creator who transcends human comprehension and understanding. The infinite nature of mathematics and the universe are beyond human comprehension, leading many to believe that the Creator is an infinitely intelligent being who can create and sustain such complexity. The idea of infinity has fascinated mathematicians and philosophers for centuries, pointing to a higher reality that transcends our limited understanding. The discovery of mathematical symmetries and patterns in physics, such as the symmetry of the laws of nature and the conservation of energy and momentum, further support the idea of a mathematical creator. These symmetries are fundamental to our understanding of the universe and suggest a deeper unity and order that underlies reality. The beauty and elegance of these symmetries point to a creator who appreciates and values harmony and balance in the universe. The laws of physics are manifestation of God's divine plan and that mathematics is the key to understanding the universe. They also propound the idea that God's presence can be found in the mathematical relationships that underpin the world. For example, the golden ratio, a mathematical proportion found in nature and art, is often seen as a symbol of divine harmony and beauty. The idea that God is a mathematician is a long standing and deeply rooted belief that has been explored by theologians, philosophers, mathematicians, and scientists throughout history. This concept is based on the belief that mathematics is the language through which God has structured the universe, and that the intricate patterns and relationships found in nature are evidence of a divine plan. Whether through the laws of physics, the symbolism in religious texts, or the patterns in nature, the idea that God is a mathematician reflects a belief in a rational and ordered cosmos designed according to a higher intelligence. There's no denying the significance of mathematics in natural world. Can thoughts and feelings be expressed in mathematical equations?